be quite interesting over the long term. Well, if I found out, I'll let you know. But certainly some of these new areas, trying to gamble the market. You can win and you can lose. I think the trick to property investing is to look for the fundamentals. So, good design, good location, good infrastructure, good access, good long-term prospects, and try to build a strong property portfolio from that angle, rather than looking for the short-term quick gains, which may come, but also they may not come, and you may can lose your original stake. We saw this with the speculators over the course of Q3 and Q4 2009, who were stretching their own financial ability to make payments. So bet within your means and bet wisely for the long term. I don't know about booming. It's towards the end of 2009 and just before Tet in 2010, the market has been a little quiet. I think people were a little bit shaken after some of the events of last year. So I think people are taking stock, really evaluating their opportunities. So I think after the Lunar New Year, and I think once people have come back to work and starting to look at where to invest for 2010, then I think the market will get moving again. Certainly we're seeing strong demand in the office market for good quality buildings at a reasonable price, and there is, as I said, strong end user demand for the residential market in Hanoi as well.
I would like to mention a few crucial factors in the macroeconomy that affect our real estate market. First of all, concerns about inflation. At this step, it seems unlikely to say that Vietnam and global economy has completely recovered from the crisis. The recovery is still on progress, and it hasn't reached its results yet. Crisis is ongoing, but there are indeed several positive signals of the recovery from the microeconomy and some other index. So, in the future, concerns about inflation will remain. Whenever inflation exists, it will impact not only real estate but other sectors as well. As real estate is a long-term investment, investors and developers will concern about inflation very much. Real estate market requires a strong stability and commitment. Land capacity and infrastructure improvement are the strength for future development, especially when we have many new and open directions into Hanoi. If we want to develop to the north, we have many advantages. There are now new bridges, the land capacity is abundant, and the location is just near the international airport and the city center. Development to the west is also advantageous, as there are many new roads. For example, Lan Hoa Lac. Land capacity is huge. Those lands are not good for agriculture, might be very appropriate for urbanization. In short, infrastructure and land capacity will be the strengths for development. 2009 and its crisis have made investors, advisors, and buyers think more thoroughly about the market. The estate market in Vietnam always attracts foreign investors. While the economy has been suffering from the global economic downturn, the percentage of foreign direct investment (FDI) into Vietnam's real estate market has increased. Maybe foreign investors have soon found stable return on investment in Vietnam.